This video shows how to replace the internal cooling fan, heatsink cooling fans and DC capacitor board on an ODE3 IP66 outdoor frame size 4 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the control cover, use a POSI 2 screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws and lift the cover away. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, remove the 6 cover screws and earth tab screw. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. The cover can now be lifted away from the heatsink. The ribbon and fan cable also need to be disconnected from the power board. Push the 2 tabs back and pull the ribbon cable away. Disconnect the fan cable from the fan connector by pulling it away. To remove the internal cooling fan from the fan bracket, pull the fan clip back, holding the fan in place, and lift the fan away. Replace the internal cooling fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. To remove the DC capacitor board, use a Torx 25 screwdriver to remove the 3 screws. The torque setting is 4 Nm. Using long nose pliers, unclip the 4 plastic pilers from the PCB and lift it away. Replace the DC capacitor board using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit when rebuilding the drive. Remove the heatsink cooling fans by pulling the cables away from the connectors. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the earth screw. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Use a POSI 2 screwdriver to remove the EMC screw. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the 2 power module top plate screws and lift the top plate away. The torque setting is 2.5 Nm. Using long nose pliers, unclip the 6 plastic pilers from the PCB and lift it away, making sure the power module stays in place and the power board is placed on a clean surface. Unclip the fan cable from the 2 fan cable clips. Use a Torx 15 screwdriver to remove the 6 fan screws and remove the fans from the heatsink. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Replace the heatsink cooling fans using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.